unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
A 5-way joystick is a manual control interface designed to input directional commands into a device. It allows the user to move an actuator in one of 4 cardinal directions: up, down, left, right, and press down for a 5th, typically select or enter, function. This joystick is commonly used in gaming controllers, industrial controls, and electronic devices where multi-directional navigation is required. Its intuitive design and compact size make it versatile for various applications, enhancing user interaction with technology.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.